why was the Colosseum in Rome more than just an arena for gladiatorial combat? Built in AD 80 under Emperor Vespasian, the Colosseum, also known as the Flavian Amphitheater, showcased Roman engineering and entertainment. Its oval shape and high arches could seat up to 50,000 spectators who came to watch events like gladiatorial fights, mock sea battles, and wild animal hunts. The Colosseum's clever design included a complex system of tunnels, ramps, and trapdoors for moving fighters, animals, and scenery efficiently. Under the arena floor was a network of chambers and cages where gladiators and animals waited, adding to the excitement of each event. More than just an entertainment venue, the Colosseum symbolized Roman imperial power and social hierarchy, with seating reflecting the social status of spectators. Despite centuries of neglect, earthquakes, and stone robbing, the Colosseum remains a powerful symbol of Rome's grandeur and architectural innovation. Today, visitors can explore its winding corridors, admire its towering facade, and imagine the roar of the crowds that once filled the amphitheater. As a UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Colosseum stands as a testament to the enduring legacy of ancient Rome and continues to inspire awe and fascination with its timeless allure. Which place would you like to see in the next video? Write them in comments.